If your vision is blocked by the mountains, you won't be able to see more places, but this does not prevent us from crossing them. The appearance of the Hubsan Zeno waypoint mode, a more convenient flight. Welcome to the Hubsan Zeno tutorial series. We will be introducing the waypoint function. Tips. In order to use waypoint mode, the aircraft needs to be in a flying state and altitude needs to be between 5 to 500 meters. Before activating waypoint mode, pilots can change the default flight altitude, length, and radius of the aircraft. During waypoint mode, you can turn on the photo, video functions manually. The operations are as follows. Tap on settings on the top right side of the app interface. Tap on waypoint parameters. The system will show default waypoint altitude, maximum waypoint height, maximum route length, maximum flight radius, maximum hovering time, and default hovering time. The parameters can be modified by the pilots. Return to the app interface, select waypoint mode. The system will show waypoint planning and waypoint memory. Take waypoint planning as an example. Zoom map. Tap on the draw button, draw the route you desire on the screen. The system will automatically generate the corresponding waypoints. Select a waypoint, pop-up option, altitude, delay before moving to the next waypoint, slide the bar to set the altitude of the waypoint, slide the bar to set the staying time of this waypoint. Default is 2 seconds. Each waypoint can be edited accordingly. You can always set a waypoint of interest to have the aircraft point to that direction. After finishing the waypoints, the system will temporarily save the waypoint. Tap on Start to enter waypoint mode. The aircraft will automatically fly according to the route you're specified. Tap to extend the waypoint interface to view the waypoint flight status and dynamically adjust the waypoint flight speed. Tap on the stop button or exit mode to end waypoint mode. Take waypoint memory as an example. The waypoint memory refers to the position information the aircraft obtained during flight. The aircraft will be able to save the heading and altitude information and repeat the same route. Tap on the waypoint memory mode. Manually operate the aircraft. When the aircraft reaches a position that you wish to memorize, tap on the Memorize Waypoint button on the screen. The system will save the coordinates of the position you specified and turn it into a waypoint. If you wish to replace or delete a waypoint, you can slide to the left to modify a waypoint. Tap on the Complete button. The follow route and follow waypoint refers to the orientation of the nose during flight. Follow route. The aircraft nose is facing next waypoint. Follow waypoint. When you save the waypoint, the system will save where the nose was pointing, and when you activate this function, the aircraft will follow what was saved in the system. Tap on the Upload Waypoint button. The system will upload the waypoints. Tap on Start Now. If the aircraft is not at the starting point of the waypoint, the aircraft will first fly to the starting point, then start the waypoint mission. You can have the waypoint memory function to save all the locations that you like and turn them into waypoints. Then use Zeno to capture these beautiful moments. Thank you for watching.